In today's video, I'm using a new tool for doing a Dutch pour. Instead of a hairdryer, it is a Revlon Hot Air Brush. It does have a little attachment on it for a concentrator. I'm using white and black for my base paint, so it is a split color Dutch pour. And then I have 9 different colors to make up a rainbow color palette. I'm working with red, vermilion, orange, yellow, 2 shades of green, 2 shades of blue, and purple. And I'm going to just lay all my colors down. I do have a couple of sponge brushes to just spread my paint out as evenly as possible. And I'm using a little bit less black and a little bit more white on the canvas. I just don't want that black to take over all of the other colors when I put them down. So I'm just taking each of my colors and putting them down in small portions. I'm overlapping the previous color on top of the first color that I put down so that there will hopefully be a little bit of blending within each color. I felt that the red, orange, and yellow took over just a little bit too much, and that green, blue, and purple I had squished in at the end, so I tilted my canvas just a little bit to move all the paint down. And now I'm just using my my tool to blow all the paint out. I did find that it works well, but it definitely doesn't have as strong of an airflow as a hairdryer, but I feel that it's a little bit more controlled this way. So I had to make sure that I had quite a bit of paint down for it to move well. When it was hitting dry spots on the white paint that had already started drying on the canvas, the paint stopped very quickly and it didn't have enough power to move it over those areas. But as long as I had enough white paint down, my colors were moving really well across the canvas. So I think that overall, compared to a hairdryer, this is also going to work well so that I have a little bit more control over my airflow and where I'm moving the paint. I'll just have to work on my paint consistency and see how well it works with thinner paint.